Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use useState and useEffect in Next.js. Yeah, let's start. Now we need to create one state const here count and set count. I'm going to use a useState. It is imported predefinedly from here, but we don't want to import from there, but we directly import this from React.js. Okay, here initial value is 0. I'm going to add one button to update the state. I'll just remove this one. Just increase the count plus 1. I just display, I just use the state here. Okay, do you think will it work? Let me check. See this, we have a error. See, if whenever I refresh the screen, I have an error like we need to use client, because first I need to add this at the top of our project inside a double quotes. I added. Now it will not show error. So button is showing, but content is not. I added. Okay, content I didn't add it, so I'm going to add. It's like count. I just add count. See, now button is showing. State is update. How the state, useState is working only after we added this, because this useState and useEffect, these are all work only in the client side rendering. Okay, whenever if we add this in our file, it is considered as a client side component. If it is not there in your component, it is like a server side component. By default, all the component will created by the server side. Okay, whenever we using useState and useEffect, we need to add this use client and then do your code. Now it will work. Okay, see this count is working, and if I duplicate this for, I just add a minus, of course it will work. See, value is reducing. This is what you can use a useState, and same way I'm going to use a useEffect. Just copy, and I don't want this. Can directly import from React. See, this is normal useEffect. If I go to console, see, first is printed. If I change state, it will get print. You can use useEffect in 3 ways. This is first method. Any state is update, it is re-rendered. And if I add a empty dependency, if I refresh the screen, see, it will print at the first time. If I change the state, it will not print. See, this console is not printing. And if I add this count means, I will add one more button for dummy. I just call this state. Okay, count 1 and this is count 2, and I'm going to set this value here. I just copy this, I'll add here. Now it is considered as dependency useState. It's like whenever the state is update, the useEffect will print. This console will print. See, if I click this, console is not printed. If I click this, see, this first is printed. Yep. Bye bye.